So, good evening, everyone. Tonight, we are going to discuss on how to fill up a BIR form 1701 version 2018 and 2551Q version 2018. First, we go to taxpayer identification. Second, select RDO, which is 108. Ayan, lumabas na siya agad. Then, line of business, name, address, zip code, telephone number, and email address. Then first, we select list of BIR form. First, we fill up a 1701, the annual income tax rate version 2018. Ayan, lumabas na siya. Second, click this, fill up. Ayan, hintayin na lang natin. Ayan, lumabas na siya. First, you fill up this year, 2024. Second is single proprietor. Third is business, income, graduated IT rate. Second, we go to the lower. Yan, hindi siya makita. Yan. Ito tayo dito sa, makikita natin sa page 1 is the tax due, total tax credit payment, and total and tax payable overpayment. Then, punta tayo sa second page to fill up the computation of tax. This is second page. We go this. My sales revenue receipt fees is 1,525,000. Yan. And the second is lost cost of sale, which is 867,636. And click. Lumabas yung net income loss of itemized less than 16 of OSD, item 10 less than item 17. Ayan ang lumabas. Then, we go to the page 3. Makikita natin ang page 3, which is the itemized deduction. First, we go to charitable and contribution, which is 1,803. Ayan, lumabas agad. Ang dali lang. Ang dali niya lang lumabas. And the second is the depreciation, which is 11,080. And the third is rental. Go to the rental, which is my rental is 8,000, 80,000. The fourth is the salaries, wages, and allowances, which is 180,000. And the fifth is SSS, GSIS, PhilHealth, HDMF, and other contribution, which is 32,400. And the sixth is tax and licenses, which is 22,618. And the seventh is the transportation and travel, 20,113. And the last is security and services, which is 27,635. Ayan, lumabas na siya. And the total of ordinary allowable itemized deduction is 375,649. When we go to the chapter 4, nakikita natin sa chapter 4, which is 4,757. My summary of income tax due. Ayan, lumabas na siya. The total income tax due. Then we save this and we go to the 2551Q. Save. Ayan. And we go to the main screen. Back to the main screen. Ayan. Lumabas na siya dyan sa ibaba. Then first, we select 2551Q. So this is the last. We fill up a BIR form 2551Q version 2018 quarterly percentage tax return. Go to fill up. Okay. Yan. Makikita natin ang total tax payable, which is 4,750. 4,757. Ayan. Go to the second page. Put this in the second page. We compute computation of tax. Then we go to tax code with ATC PT0110. Go this 475. Kita natin is the tax due is 137.25. Ayan na siya. Ang lumabas. So this is our 2551Q quarterly percentage tax return. Ganun lang. Ang dali lang niya sa 2551Q. And we go to the mains and we save. Pagkatapos natin i-save, we go to the main screen and we are done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.